Your front yard, your backyard, your outdoor space should be more than just there. For over 40 years, Truesdale Nursery Landscape Services has helped homeowners across Somerset County, Union County, and Morris County transform their properties into stunning outdoor living spaces. Our landscape architects and designers don't just plant, they plan. Every garden, every focal point, every visual feature is crafted to create sustainable beauty that lasts. From Basking Ridge to Westfield, Bernardsville to Summit, we bring your landscape ideas to life with proper planning, premium materials, and 40 years of expertise. We provide the highest quality service for all our customers, says Ralph Denizio. Truesdale Nursery and Landscape Services, design that transforms. Call 908-834-2675 or visit truesdalelandscaping.com.